Hey guys, just wanted to make a video here for you. Um, Here in my collection of Oakley sunglasses, this is an older pair that I've had for a while now. This is just the regular Oakley Flak, and I just bought new replacement lenses for them. The other ones had some light scratches on them. These lenses I bought off of Amazon for, I believe, $9 shipped. Come in multiple different colors. I just thought that the light blue and the white would go good together. Mainly I use these for boating. My boat is blue in color. That's why I went blue. Very easy to replace the lenses. Put your thumb in the nose piece, and you're going to push this direction. We're going to move this lens over here. You grab the lens, and we're going to just kind of pull upward, and the lens will pop right out. It's that easy. Same scenario when you go back together. You want to put this top right corner in first. With your thumb over here, kind of pull. Push, pops right back in. Same scenario over here. Remove this lens. Thumb goes here on the nose piece. Grab the lens. Pull this direction. Pops out. Put them back together. Top left corner first. There you go. Very simple. I'll put the link in the description below. Like I said, they were $9. They are polarized, UV protectant, blah, blah, blah. But there's plenty of choices. So pick whatever color you'd like, and it's that easy to replace them. If you have any questions, comments, anything, just leave it below in the description or in the comment section. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate you guys watching. Thanks. Hey guys, if you liked my video, you can check out other videos right here, just like it. Please hit my subscribe button, and thanks for watching.